In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Knox Junior School won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Knox Junior School Bible knowledge. In the book of Genesis, on which day was light and darkness created?
The first day.
The first day.
Correct. Bible knowledge, Mineral Heights. In the story of creation in the book of Genesis, on which day were birds and sea creatures created?
Birds and sea creatures. The fifth day.
The fifth day.
That's right. Science. Knox, which types of fats are solid at room temperature? Your time has passed. Would you like to try, Mineral Heights?
Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
Saturated fats.
Saturated fats.
That's correct. Still with you, Mineral Heights. Science. In what state are unsaturated fats at room temperature?
Liquid.
Correct. International affairs is a visual question for you, Knox. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Angola.
Angola.
Correct. International affairs, a visual question for you also, Mineral Heights. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Incorrect. Mozambique. English language, Knox, form an abstract noun from the verb to bore, which means to act in a way that someone loses interest.
Bored.
Incorrect. It's boredom. English language, Mineral Heights, form an abstract noun from the adjective senile, which means showing weakness in mental faculties.
Abstract noun from senility.
Senility.
We won't take it. Senility is the word we're looking for. Knox, television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this character.
Aunt May.
From Spider-Man, that's correct. Television, a visual question for you, Mineral Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this character.
Rhino.
Incorrect. It's Flash Thompson from Spider-Man. General knowledge, Knox, what is the capital of Madagascar?
Antananarivo.
Antananarivo.
Correct. Mineral Heights, general knowledge, what is the capital of Malta?
Capital of Malta. Malta City.
Malta City.
Incorrect. Valletta. Knox, social studies. In the Jamaican Constitution, the Minister of Finance can be chosen from the Senate. Is this true or false?
False.
That's correct. Social studies, Mineral Heights. In the Jamaican Constitution, the Prime Minister can choose 5 cabinet members from the Senate. Is this true or false?
True.
Incorrect. It's false. Music, Knox, a visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Queen Africa.
Queen Africa.
Incorrect. It's Rita Marley. Music, a visual question, Mineral Heights. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Damian Marley.
Incorrect. Stephen Marley. Knox Junior School, mathematics. What is the sum of 53.98 and 66.47? Time has passed. Would you like to try, Mineral Heights?
Yes, thank you. 122.45.
Incorrect. It's 129.45. Still with you, Mineral Heights. Mathematics. What is the sum of 55.87 and 76.95?
132.82.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Mineral Heights Primary on 4 and Knox Junior School on 5. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Keep a positive attitude. Remind yourself that you can achieve your goals. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.